Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I want to show you how to make a shadow on Photoshop, which is really easy just to get. So we can apply the shadow on a text, on a shape, or in whatever type of layer you want. So I have here a text. So I'm just going to clear the style, and I'm just using this font in 112 points, and to go to see the layers panel you have to go to window and just to click on layers. Fine, so we just do right click and go to its blending options. It can be a text, shape, or any kind of layer you have, and then just activate a drop shadow. So I'm just going to change a little bit the values right here, the opacity in 40%, the distance in 40 pixels, and I think the size in 20. Or vice versa, 20 pixels distance and size 40, something like this. You can even save the style. Click right here in new style and just put a name, and just you're going to see this style right here in the styles panel. So I think that's everything. You can you change the here the style of shadow you want. You have many options. You can just choose and just that. So I like for this exercise the first one. So we click OK. And I think that's everything. So it's everything for this video. Please let me know in the comments what you think. Remember, just if you find this helpful, please thumbs up, and thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the views. Thank you so much for the comments, and I think that's everything. Thank you so much. I'm Manuel, and see you in the next video.